Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Here is Himmat Ali Memun and you are watching SH Biochemist Coaching Center. In previous class we have studied about the introduction of computer, parts of computer, computer system and components of the computer system. If you haven't seen that lecture, kindly first of all watch that to understand this lecture. And in this lecture we will discuss about the introduction of memory and classification of memory. So let's start. Introduction of memory. Computer memory is a physical and electrical device which is capable to store the information temporary or permanent. Memory is a main part of computer which has ability to store the data and instructions. Memory is located in the CPU. Without memory, computer is disabled to perform any function because instruction of hardware are stored in the memory. That's why it is a very important part. Without it, nothing is possible. And these are the examples of memory: hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, floppy disk, memory card, pen drive, and tape. Classification of memory. Actually, the memory of computer is divided into two groups: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory further divided into two groups: RAM and ROM. And RAM is further divided into SRAM and DRAM. And there are four types of ROM: PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, and flash ROM. And here is a secondary memory. These are the examples of secondary memory: hard disk, memory card, compact disk, floppy disk, magnet tape. These are the examples of secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is also called internal memory because it stores the internal data like system softwares. It also stores the data and instructions for the operations or functions of processor. Examples of the primary memory: RAM and ROM. These are the primary memory. RAM, stands for of RAM, is a random access memory. It is a type of internal memory which stores the internal data. RAM is considered as a volatile memory. It means that the stored data is lost when there is no power. RAM is made up of small memory chips that forms the memory module. Whenever we open the program, computer loaded from the hard drive into the ROM. There are two types of RAM: SRAM and DRAM. SRAM SRAM is a static random access memory. It is attached with the processor and it is fast than DRAM, and it is also expensive than dynamic or DRAM. DRAM is a totally opposite to the SRAM. Dynamic random access memory, it is away from the processor, it is slow than the SRAM, and it is cheap than SRAM. ROM, the stand for of ROM is a read-only memory. It is a type of internal memory which stores the internal data. It means instructions needed to start the hardware or computer. ROM is considered as a non-volatile memory. It means that the stored data is not lost when there is no power. That's why we call it permanent memory. ROM is made up of small memory chips that forms the memory module. Types of ROM. There are four main types of ROM. First one is PROM, second one is EPROM, third one is EEPROM, and fourth one is a flash ROM. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory or permanent memory of computer. Because it is non-volatile memory, so it holds the data even when computer is turned off. The bulk of information is stored in the auxiliary or secondary memory. It is a cheap than primary, so it is small in size than the primary memory. It stores the very high amount of data. It is slower in the data accessing speed because it is magnetic in nature. And secondary memory data is organized into the files. And these are the examples of secondary storage: memory card, hard disk, CD, floppy disk, and pen drive. These are the most well known examples of the secondary storage or secondary memory. Thank you, dear students. This was about the memory and classification of memory. And in next class, we will discuss about the data and types of data. Khudafiz wassalam.